new project arrived at the shop today. This is known as the mother of all COEs. It's running a 3208 cat diesel with an Allison transmission. Sounds like we're going to primarily be doing wiring on it as a starting point. And we don't know what from there, potentially some body and paint work, or we'll just see where things go. But what an awesome rig. Obviously been an extensive amount of work done to it already. But yeah, it definitely has some wiring gremlins that we're going to address here initially and then just see where things go from there. But just giving you guys a quick peek at it. Can hardly imagine the look she must get going down the road in this. So again, you guys can check back. We'll be doing some updates on it. We'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.